I want to teach you a very simple higher and lower strategy that you can be using and make money profitably without needing even a bot. I've split my screen into two. One side I'm using the Blueprint software, and the other side on DTrader Deriv option trading. So here the software follows 5 rules. That is, market crosses the blue line, that is and with a confirmation to trade lower on higher and lower. You trade lower, and it must give a confirmation and a risk to reward which is more than 1:1. Up there you can see it's confirmed volatility, sell volatility 75, meaning we are trading lower on volatility 75. Now we shall be trading on the same market. You can see it's volatility 75 here, and you can see that the risk to reward on our screen is 1:1.05 on our MT5, where we have the software which is giving us signals and confirmation to enter the trades. Now on the other screen, I must put the correct settings. So as you can see clearly that I'm on 5 minutes time frame on the software. I must use time also minutes on DTrader, and I must choose minutes below 5. So at least the best practice is using 3 to 5 minutes. For this case, I have selected 4 minutes. And the next thing I'm going to change is the barrier. The barrier should be, at least it should make you more than 400%, meaning if I list $10, I should be able to get $40 in return. So I'll change the barrier to be as follows, to be more than like, remember the first thing, lower it's negative, so it's below spot. Higher is positive, so it is negative. And you can see $10 is gonna give us $62. So that is 600%. Now that is good. I can click lower because the trade is already confirmed from the software. And you can see now as the market moves this side, I start with a negative, but the trade is gonna end within 4 minutes, so I still have time. And that is the practice that you should. It's a very simple strategy to use. You just now wait, and remember the good thing with higher and lower and this strategy is that you can cancel your profit anytime. So if I risk $10 and I make like around more than $15, even if it is not up to $62, I can cancel my trade and check another setup. This is far much better than trading digits over and under, trading even in odd matches and differs, and it actually makes sense because you are using something that is relatable to the market. You are analyzing the market based on price movement. So you can actually call yourself a good trader and not a gambler. So this is a very simple higher and lower strategy using the Blueprint software to generate signals and alert to enter the trade, and then you execute with the correct settings on higher and lower using higher time frame. Don't use ticks, so that is a warning. Ticks, you're gonna lose most of the trades. So we use minutes, and once we make more than the stake, for which this case is $10 was the stake. If I make more than that, even if the contract has not ended, I end it prematurely. This also confuses Deriv in case they want to manipulate the market. So you get out before they even realize it. For example, how much is the profit right now? $12. So already it is above $10. I have already made 100%. So I cross the trade lower. So you can see now it is going up $18 as the market goes down. So, and I cross my trade with my $20. If you like this video and you have seen that it's helpful, make sure you subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed the lesson about trading higher and lower using the system. Thank you for watching.